shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel Irina Desi Vlogs, and welcome to Jodhpur, the Blue City. Finally I'm here, and this time I chose to stay in Novotel. This is a 4-star property hotel, and I've been searching for some interesting place where to stay. First I thought maybe I will be staying in the Heritage Place, but then I thought I'm coming only for 2 days, why not to stay in the comfort and in the modern place, which will give you a feel that you are coming just to rest. That's why I chose this place, and I already stayed here for a whole night, and I had really lovely sleep. I didn't want to go from this hotel anywhere, and I had dinner also, which was delicious. And right now I'll show you what is there around, and I'll show you how this property looks like. The parking, as you see, they do not provide some specialized parking. You can keep your car only outside, or give the key to the valet, and they will place it here and there. But yes, there is no some special place for the parking. This is the drawback, but otherwise it's fine. So pay attention, in Jodhpur, in most of the hotels are happening different conferences, weddings, functions, so it can be from time to time noisy. And there is a small water body which gives you peace and relaxation, which really nice touch. So let's go inside. You can go, by the way, through this side, because they have even a souvenir store. But you can buy all the things. Namaste. You can buy all the things also from different places if you're walking in the Blue City. So here we are. It's a small and nice lobby here at the travel desk. By the way, yes, we have taken one tour from here, only from the travel desk. It's more reliable because you do not know what kind of guides you will get from outside, and here it's safe and reliable, so you can take it. And do not worry that prices, whatever they give here, is the same like from outside. It's not that, oh, you know, if you're staying in a better hotel, the rates they will be charging more. It's nothing like that. Here they have nice coffee shop where you can take not just coffee. By the way, pay attention, they have all types of bakeries, salads, coffees, cold coffee, frappuccinos and all, and different varieties of the cold drinks, which is really nice touch. And bakeries. Prices are just like everywhere, guys, you know, whether it's Delhi, Gurgaon or here, almost all the same, like 300 rupees per pastry, which is also not bad, and nice and lovely reception. So pay attention how they have made the interior, which is really nice, unique and modern. I love it. So let's go, we'll show the room. Here you cannot go just like that, you have to definitely touch your card, otherwise you'll go nowhere. They have on the 8th floor the swimming pool, spa, gym, and so on and so forth. Swimming pool they have on the rooftop because there is nowhere else. Guys, you see, he is so lovely and feeling like to chill in here, swimming pool, and there is not a single soul here. And why so? Today temperature is almost 45 degrees. That is really burning hot. Here they have a spa which you can visit, and here they have a kind of a club, restaurant cum club. Yesterday we have checked. It's not a restaurant exactly, bar and club. It was really looking nice, and unfortunately we were already after dinner, so nothing was fitting in more. But it was so good, friends. I'll show you. You check. I will tell you, the daytime ambience and night ambience is totally different, but you can see how here it's so airy, so fresh, you know. If to compare with outside 45 and here 25, it's really lovely. You see, with the beautiful windows, you can see half of the city from here. And even you can see all this Umaid Bhawan Palace and the fort just from the window while sitting here and chilling in. And yes, they have lovely bar. Here all the options, whatever you want. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic, everything. So what do you think about this type of place?
Very interesting.
I believe
At least you
those-
have a complete city view.
Yep, and those who live here probably they do come for, chilling around. And friends, welcome to our 4th floor. Here they have right now cleaning going on. Pay attention. They have put the paintings or the pictures, photos of the fort everywhere and close by. And we are going to our room, which is really nice. The beds were so comfy and they're smelling so nice, fresh and clean. So they have refilled our bottle with water already, chai, coffee as usual. So this is my traditional Rajasthani, I can say, look. And pay attention, friends, this is very spacious and pretty cozy room. A TV, of course they're giving chapel, sorry for the socks. As yesterday we have done some small shopping, there are already some bags with the shopping lying. And nice and softy bed. Of course there is a small couch which you can rest on. And pay attention, what a view. Greeneries. Whenever we get the hotel, you never know what kind of view you're going to get. But once you're in the hotel, you're always lucky that they're giving you so nice view. Here they have upgraded our room. I do not know why. We have ordered the basic room, but they have given us the king size bed. And till what room they have upgraded? Superior. So you imagine, probably because it's almost off season and people are less here. So like this, nice room. And here there is a dining room. I can say the restaurant. You can come, you can book your table in advance. You can buy also your lunch, breakfast and dinner here as a buffet, or you can use a la carte menu. And as we already have stayed overnight, I know what kind of food they have for dinner. It was a really good choice. And for breakfast right now, I'll quickly show you. They have plenty of different baked items like donuts, cupcakes, croissants and all. Fresh buns, butter, of course as usual. Options of fruits and fresh green salads. So you can also take. Pretty good choice, I can say. And of course a lot of options. I believe this is South Indian. Yep, this is for chutney, tomato chutney, coriander chutney and coconut chutney. Gur, different type of spices. What is here? Oh, it's a sambar. Probably they will be providing you dosa. And here what? Okay, so complete South Indian cuisine. Here there is porridge, I see. Yep, poha maybe. Peanuts and this is poha. That was some just normal porridge. Chole, kulcha. This is looks like potato for puri. Yep, puri aloo puri sabji. And here there are some additions. Okay, these are all South Indian cuisines. Here what do they have? Noodles with gravy and tomatoes with beans. And here what? Oh, even potato wedges. Nice choices. Okay, probably it's yogurt or what? Nope. It's halwa. Suji halwa or gajar. No, it doesn't look like gajar. Like a suji halwa porridge. And you can make your own muesli, cornflakes and all. Quite good choice. And yes, fresh juices on your choices. Milkshake, mango shake, pineapple juice, watermelon juice, methi, water, whatever juices, detox, tomato, basil. All types of options on your choice. Nice. Oh, they are providing you live milk chai. Lovely. If you want, they will make for a stronger or lighter tea. Great. And these are some chat street. Yeah, I believe it's a chat, right? Dal. Dal for breakfast. Very nice. Unexpected. Yep. So overall, the choice is quite good. What do you say? So here is my plate for the breakfast. I have taken some idlis with chutney, of course fruits, some cheese and prunes. There is puri. Amir took also some food for himself for trial. and they will bring dosa, of course. So as I told you, the dinner was really tasty, and I hope the breakfast will be tasty too, because it looks yummy, it looks delicious. And here overall the restaurant area is very pleasant, very nice. The staff is very welcoming and hospitable. So yes, bon appetit to me and to you too. As we have taken this room in almost off season, right now it's month of April, beginning of April, it costed us slightly cheaper, but if you'll be getting it in the season, I believe it will jump high, because you know by yourself, in season the rooms are occupied and people want to stay and come to all these places. But whenever it's just no season, it's so hot, people hardly will go to see the sightseeing. I can't imagine that any foreign tourist will come and burn down under the 45-degree temperature. That's why you can get almost everywhere nice hotels and reasonable pricing if you're coming in off season. But it was not my intention to come in the off season, it just happened, you know, circumstances folded in this way. So anyways, what about the hotel? I really love this hotel. The breakfast was very good. Of course, bakeries, they have to work on them. You do not expect that this is some French bakery or patisserie shop. They are just a normal average, but the food is really delicious, and dinner was also really lovely. But friends, you have to keep in mind that most of the restaurants and hotels where there are restaurants in Jodhpur are pure vegetarian. Of course, if you like to eat chicken and meat, you have to see which hotels provide you these options. For us, it was not a big deal because we eating all types of food. But dinner was really delicious. They have live kitchen where they can make food, different varieties of pasta with basil, pesto sauce, with any type of sauce. Like, it is really tasty. They have different varieties of coffee, cappuccino, I do not know, latte and all, which is also there included in the buffet. We have taken a half board, so we eat breakfast and dinner in the hotel. To be honest, it saves a lot of money rather than you'll go outside and search where to eat, what to eat and all. Because whenever you come for the first time to unknown place, you really don't know what is good eating place is there. That's why I'm really happy with the experience of this hotel, and whatever they're giving rating, whatever they're giving stars, I'll tell you, it is really clean, it is really tasty. Just mind that here there are functions, and yesterday when we came, I was not able to record immediately because it was loud wedding happening during the daytime with the drums, and there was so many people in the reception area. So this is the drawback. Otherwise, the hotel is lovely. So if you're coming to Jodhpur and you do not know where to stay, believe me, this is in the city. It is not somewhere outskirts. So if you need to go anywhere, you can easily keep your car parked just at the hotel and go by auto. You can just come outside, say auto, auto, stop the auto and keep on going, because this is the most convenient way. So that's why I'm giving very good rating to this hotel. It's not some promotion paid or something. It is from my pure heart. If you want to stay in the cozy, fresh, clean and tasty hotel, choose this one. It's Novotel. So for today, guys, it's all. Right now I'm going to rest for a bit and then maybe I'll go to the city. Maybe I will stay whole day here today and going nowhere and doing nothing. But anyways, I'm going to see you soon in the next video. Love you all. Bye.